Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing QPage, the future of recruitment, a hiring manager tool with a CRM integrated that's really easy to use. And as stated on AppSumo, a smart autonomous recruiting that intelligently leverages data to help you hire the best. So the idea here is that you will have your career page to post your jobs, opportunities, and with AI integrated, you will better organize your hiring process. You can see here on AppSumo an example of the career page here with the job posts, and you can fully brand it with different colors and also your logo. And let's see how the deal works. Here's the hiring process, a picture of the hiring process, but let's see how the deal works. Here is um, a two codes deal, so you should plan to buy two codes because you get much better limits. So if you buy one code, you get 5 jobs per month, but if you buy two codes, you get unlimited jobs and also those premium machine-led interviews. So there is a new feature that it's you will only unlock it if you buy two codes. So let's take a look at the tool, and you'll see that it's pretty simple to use. So there's almost no learning curve. Here's the QPage dashboard. Okay, they're loading. Here we are at the QPage in the way that you will receive when you get the tool. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings and then set up your company logo and your company website and fill out with your email address, privileges and benefits, an introduction of your company, and this will be used on the career page when you showcase your job opportunities. And after that, after you fill out your data, you go here to full brand your career page. For instance, you can change the colors, you can change the general info, and also you can change here the main picture to any picture you want, or even your logo. Okay, you add your social media and everything here, and you have your career page set up. Here in the dashboard, it's where all your data will be analyzed by the AI. And how you create the jobs. So you go here, click on create job, and then you select an industry. Let's see if they have something higher education. Okay, job title. I'm gonna put here professor, seniority level. Let's say media department. There you go. Okay, and you can see that the AI fill out with some like with the requirement that you like need for that position. So you just save time when you start to create your job position. So you can see that I just select professor and higher education, and they create a requirement here, for instance, a PhD in the appropriate field, 3 to 10 years of experience, etc. And here you can choose or remote. You can click here and you turn it on the remote position, or you turn off and check the country, city, uh, number of people you hired, annual salary, visible or not, and currency, employment type, etc. So let's say I'm gonna put here United States. employment time, full time, education, number of people, one. See? And then you go to your application and what you will um, require from your candidates. So you can add photo yes or no. Um, so let's see here. I'm gonna require the photo so they could upload the photo, a headline, address. You want your candidate's address, their about, career background, academic background, write a message, a letter, and you can add a questionnaire. So then, for instance, an yes or no. So, do you like to work in the educational field? So everything here and multiple choice as well will be added on your application. So pretty easy to create a job, don't you think? And then when you're okay, you click and save and continue, and you're hiring team. So and only me here, but you can invite a recruiter or any member to be involved in that recruitment process. And here's the hiring of flow with the pipeline. So sourcing, applied, screening, interview, offer, hire. You can just delete one of them, but that's the idea here. So you promote it, people will apply, will be screened, you will interview them, you will make the offer, and then the person is hired. Save and continue, and then you have your job post. And as you can see here, you can integrate with Google, Monster Free, you have your company career page, internal announcement board, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. About the paid boards, they have integration with Monster, CV Cascos, and Zip Recruiter. And then when you are ready, click on Finish. As you can see here, as integrations, they are here. CV, Monster, Cascos, and Zip Recruiter. Here on templates, you can create templates to send to um, your candidates if they receive a formal offer letter or a rejection letter, semi-formal rejection letter, and a welcome to your hiring process. So you can create templates of your emails and you just will everything will be started here on QPage. Oh, the idea of the tool is to make the hiring process easier with analytics, templates, and a pipeline to help you to organize your hiring process in a way that you can hire your best candidate without losing time and spend a large amount of effort. I like the tool. I do recommend it. I hope you like it. Thank you so much